Jehovah Rapha, the healer. In the Bible, this name is used to describe God's power to heal. When we are sick or hurting, we can turn to Jehovah Rapha for healing and restoration. The book of Exodus tells us how God miraculously healed the bitter waters of Marah. God promised the Israelites that if they followed His commandments, He would keep them free from diseases. Throughout the Bible, we see examples of God's healing power, like when Jesus healed the blind and the crippled. Jehovah Rapha's healing is not limited to physical ailments, He can heal our hearts and minds too. Sometimes, our greatest need is not physical, but spiritual. Jehovah Rapha can heal the brokenness within us. God's healing is not always immediate, but His timing is perfect and His ways are higher than ours. To experience Jehovah Rapha's healing, we need to have faith and pray earnestly for His intervention. We can trust that Jehovah Rapha knows what is best for us and will bring healing in His way. By trusting in Jehovah Rapha's healing power, we can find comfort and peace in the midst of our suffering. We must remember that while physical healing is a gift from God, it is not always His sole purpose. God's healing can manifest in different ways, such as through medical professionals and the use of medication. Jehovah Rapha can work through human means to bring about His healing touch in our lives. It is important to acknowledge that not all physical ailments will be miraculously healed in this lifetime. Through prayer and seeking God's guidance, we can find healing and restoration for our emotional wounds. Jehovah Rapha desires to bring healing and wholeness to every area of our lives, if we surrender to Him. Sometimes, healing requires us to let go of past hurts, forgive others, and embrace God's grace and love. God's healing power is not hindered by the severity or duration of our pain. He is able to bring healing and renewal. God's healing may not always look the way we expect, but He promises to work all things together for our good. As we lean on Jehovah Rapha for healing, let us also trust in His infinite wisdom and sovereignty. Jehovah Rapha is not just a distant healer, He is a personal, loving God who deeply cares for each one of us. Through His healing touch, Jehovah Rapha can transform our brokenness into beauty and bring us closer to Him. Let us praise Jehovah Rapha, the ultimate healer, who brings restoration to our bodies, minds, and souls. No matter what we are facing, Jehovah Rapha is always present, ready to heal and bring us into His perfect wholeness. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and leave prayer requests.